If you make handmade accessories, you know the struggle. You spend hours creating something beautiful, and then you have to photograph it. You try a white background, a piece of wood, a fancy fabric, and it still looks like a craft photo, not a product photo. Because the truth is, accessories only come alive when you see them on a person. But hiring a model for a product shoot? That's not exactly in the small business budget. So I thought, if AI can do so many things, why can't it solve this? And that's exactly what we built. That's why we created Try On Studio, a tool inside cucuart.online that does exactly that. You upload a photo of your product and it generates an image of a model wearing it. That's it. It runs on Nano Banana Pro, Google's image generator, so the results are seriously impressive. Let me show you how it works. I'm going to use these earrings I made recently. First, you upload your product photos. Then you describe your product, earrings, polymer clay, and macrame, and the measurements. This helps the AI place them correctly. Now you pick the style of your image. There are several options: cheerful, elegant, Mediterranean, urban, boho, studio, vintage, or holiday. I'll go with cheerful. It matches these colors perfectly. And here's the fun part. Since I don't have a model, I'll ask the AI to create one. You choose the gender, skin tone, hair color, approximate age. Basically, you design your own model from scratch. You also choose the photography style, image format, and angle. Hit generate and look at that! The earrings are right there, perfectly placed, every detail intact. This used to require a full photo shoot. But maybe you don't need an AI model. Maybe a customer wants to see how a piece would look on them before buying. Or maybe you want to show it on yourself for your social media. You can do that too. Same earrings, same details as before, but this time, instead of generating a model, I upload my daughter's picture. Or anyone's photo, really. And there you go. My earrings are set on my daughter. No model, no photo studio, no leaving my desk. 2 ways to get the same thing: professional-looking photos of your creations on a real person in under a minute. Try On Studio is at cucuart.online, and you get 3 free generations to test it. Just sign up with your email. If you love it, and you will, plans start at €9.99 a month.
So if you're tired of photographing your jewelry on a pillow, give it a try. And let me know in the comments what you think of the results.